Yeah, hi, good evening. So Infosys came up with result and it was as expected good. The guidance also is revised and the Infosys ADR is also up around 2%. It was earlier up 3%. So we should not forget that this stock has already run up around 270, 300 points in just 1 month. So this 1591 is the level we should look at from tomorrow's perspective. Another important thing is Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Fin Nifty. All three are close to their 4-hour extremes. So we will not jump into any trade tomorrow. Let there be opening, maybe flat to slightly negative. Then let there be pullback, pull up, and then we will hammer it massively. So what levels to look at tomorrow? The most important is today's low. If you see 764 is also daily 20 SMA 761. So tomorrow what we should look at is this 850 put. If it comes around 20 rupees or below, and this 800 put, if it comes below 10 rupees, this is the place to be. Similarly, on the Bank Nifty front, if 35,500 is available at say 20 or even below, that is the place to be. And Nifty Financial Service or Fin Nifty as it is called, if the at the money 17,000 put, if this is available at 80-90 rupees or even below 100, this is the place to be. So today obviously the Bank Nifty was not taken to its 4-hour extreme, and Nifty was pulled up by TCS, Infi, Wipro and Larsen, because Mindtree results were very good and it's the subsidiary of Larsen, and to some extent ITC. Also this Bajaj Finserv, the frenzy continues. So on the PCR front, if we look, the PCR of Nifty weekly is 1.07 and Bank Nifty is 1.10. So tomorrow, if the Nifty opens flat or slightly negative, and then there is a pull up, so first 1 hour you should actually remain hold, and once the 1 hour is done with, you should enter into these put options which we have clearly mentioned. So the direction of Nifty tomorrow will be on the downside. The reason being, the option chain. So this is kind of a overconfidence at the 15,800 put writing level. Also 15,900 we have seen put writing as well as call writing. Call writing is much higher at 15,900, but surprising part was even 15,850 put writing. So it's very clear in front of you. There's too much of overconfidence here. So these 850 put and 800 put will be available at half the price. Unless they are available at half the price what we see here, will not enter a trade. So it may take at least 1 hour. In the first 1 hour, they will take time to melt, and that is the time you should enter. So 915, 916 remains the pain point here. And PCRs are, and monthly PCR, we just take a look. Although monthly PCR has a lot of hedging positions, we have many times mentioned, but 1.42 is kind of unacceptable PCR. So this is like there are no call writers left. It's too much of a exuberance. There will be massive cut in Nifty tomorrow, provided two conditions are met. First condition is this 800 850 put should be available at 50% of the price. So you enter there, and whatever price you buy, say about half of that, you should keep a stop loss. And once you enter and Nifty gives a 15-minute close below 760, 15,760, you should continue to hold that put option till the end of the day. This is the trade for tomorrow. Thank you very much.